हम पहुंचे एट द हेड ऑफिस ऑफ रेडियो स्पाइस और मिले एक ऐसे मल्टी टैलेंटेड आरजे से who's probably the only radio jockey to officially play as a DJ. तो चलिए ले चलते हैं आपको to meet the RJ who helps you party in your car. RJ आसिफ. मैं हूँ 105.4 रेडियो स्पाइस के स्टूडियो में और हम जिस आरजे से आज मिलने वाले हैं उनकी खास बात ये है कि वो एक फुल टाइम डीजे भी है. And the show he does is in the night 9 to 12 and it's called Fire and Spice. So let's get some Fire and Spice into our show. I'm just going in to watch him live.
The mood is set. Can you feel it?
3, 2, 1.
The Definitive Dance Show on air has just started. Fire and Spice.
So Asif, you've interviewed David Guetta. How was that?
It was really surreal, to be honest.
Wow.
I've interviewed David Guetta, I've interviewed Armin van Buuren, I've interviewed Ferry Corsten. All these people have been really inspiration. In fact, inspiration is an understatement because I am what I am and my music is what it is because of these guys. I've literally grew up listening to Armin van Buuren. It wasn't for him, I wouldn't be here. So when I met him for the first time, I literally had like tears in my eyes and I was really nervous. I've interviewed all the Bollywood celebrities and I've never felt so nervous.
You must be awestruck meeting
Oh my
him.
God, I was really gone. I was like, I don't even know what to ask him. How can you ask a question from Armin, who's been the #1 DJ in the world? You know.
So true. You really prefer to connect with your listeners with music?
To be honest, I after doing radio for so many years, I've come to this conclusion that it's the best format on the radio. Especially in a metropolitan city like Dubai, is less talk and more music.
He is the mystery element of our station. You really don't know what's going on in his head. Now, I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing. That's for you to figure out. Second thing is he can't wake up in the morning. I can call him at any point of the day. He will be there. But if I call him in the morning, even if there's no one in the station, he will not wake up.
Of course, people can listen to your music between 9 to 12 in the night, but what if in the day or after 12 they want to listen to you? Where can they log on to?
For the longest of time, I didn't have a SoundCloud page or any other source for my music for people to listen to. But then, of course, I started getting these messages and the question that you just asked of why don't you have your music online? So now I have my SoundCloud page here.
Okay.
It's under Asif_Sheikh. All you need to do is just look for Asif_Sheikh or Fire and Spice, which is a show name.
Okay.
Fire and Spice Sessions, and you'll find all these sessions here, and I've put in different genres here. As you can see, it's house, you'll find Bollywood, and there is deep house here. So people can listen to them, people can download these sessions, and it's just a non-stop session. So 30 minutes, you can just listen to it.
Oh, you can just play it and...
You can just play and download. All these tracks are downloadable, basically.
Oh, okay.
So now people, what they do is they download these tracks and just before going out, you know,
They can play it in their cars.
if it's not at my radio show time or even in the car, they just play these tracks, and I've been getting really good feedback for this, that at least, you know, we don't have to wait for 9 PM now.
आसिफ से जब पहली दफा मिलोगे तो ऐसा लगेगा कि यार बड़ा एटीट्यूड है बंदे में, पता नहीं क्या समझता है, डीजे के साथ ऐसा ऑरा होता है क्या? लेकिन एक बार अगर उस बंदे को जान जाओगे, once you just kind of set with him, then he can just go on and on and on.
Well, Asif, that was definitely a power-packed party show. And now I feel like going and partying tonight.
You know, this is what happens after 20-30 minutes. Forget 3 hours, 9 to 12. By 9:30, I'm sorted.
Yeah.
9:30, I'm sorted. I don't even have to step out of the studio. I don't have dinner, I told you. I'm going to have dinner after the show because just when I get done, I need the food. Because during the show, I don't need anything.
Wow. And don't you, like, doze off?
No, I don't.
Or you're just like...
With this music, you think you can doze off? No, no.
He, by the way, told me a little secret. Ab to hum hain. But when none of us are here and when he's alone in his studio, he's partying and dancing here with the music.
I'm like literally like someone else is playing and I'm listening to it. This is how I do it. Yeah.
Great. So, well, we've heard a lot about your music, but we'd like to chat with you a little more. So, I think let's get a cup of coffee. Neither one of us is going to doze off.
Okay, let's do that.
Let's go out.
हाउस एंड गर्ल्स बहुत गहरा कनेक्शन है. इससे पहले कि आप अपना डेढ़ दिमाग दौड़ाओ, आसिफ के हाउस म्यूजिक पर लड़कियां मरती हैं. एंड मैं भी वन ऑफ देम. एंड इवन आई एम वन ऑफ देम. Asif, you rock, man.
He plays house music at a lot of clubs here. If you know him, you know his BBM pin. Just ping him, and you are through with the entry and with the tables and everything.
So Asif, how long have you been an RJ?
I have been an RJ for about 10 years now.
Okay.
As soon as I came to Dubai, it was my first job. So.
And मैंने सुना है कि आपको actually RJ या DJ बिल्कुल नहीं बनना था. It was not on your list.
बिल्कुल नहीं बनना था, but I always wanted to be in media, and it just fell into my lap. And I tried. I gave an audition. It turned out to be successful, and I was offered a job. And there you go. The next, I think, within 3-4 days after that audition, I was on air. I was doing the mid-morning show.
Wow. But what made you stick to it? आपको उसके बारे में इतना क्या पसंद आया?
Just because of the fact that you can actually touch people's lives with your music and with what you're saying. That's what attracted me initially. And then, of course, there's so many perks. You get recognition, plus people call you and praise you, and it's human nature. You like being praised. So yeah.
So are you an RJ first or DJ first? What do you like more?
I've done RJing for 9 years, and then I got into DJing. So of course, it's RJing is more closer to me.
Wow. And what do you do when you're not RJing once you're done with your work?
Once I'm done with my work, since I've started DJing, my nightlife has been very integral. It's been very, very active. So I go out a lot after the show, and before the show, I'm usually chilling out at home, watching movies all day.
Actually your work starts in the night.
Exactly. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
So your chilling time is really in the day जब सारी दुनिया काम कर रही होती है.
All day. Practically, literally all day.
So what do you do to stay creative and when you're not working?
Listen to a lot of music. I listen to a lot of music. It's actually the kind of music that I play on the show is what I've heard during the day.
Acha.
So it's just being inspired all day. So I keep listening to music. I keep watching movies. I go to a lot of events. I meet a lot of people. I love meeting people. I think that's what shows when I'm on air, and that's what helps.
And does it happen that after your show, generally you go off to other night parties to DJ?
I do. I have gigs, at least 3 gigs in a week.
Wow.
Usually on the weekend, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So I go to those gigs on the weekend. And apart from that, even on a weekday, I manage to sneak out.
12 in the night after your show is done, do you get sleepy? Do you have lots of coffee? What do you do to stay energetic?
I usually have my dinner after the show. So
12
बजे मैं खाना खाता हूँ. उसके बाद then I get in touch with people who are up at that time, and they're mostly up because I'm friends with people in the same industry. So I go see them, meet them, we go chill out, and sometimes we go out party. Depends on what day it is on the week.
And of course, RJing and DJing both are very competitive fields. अगर देखा जाए तो, what would your advice be to people who are aspiring to do the same?
You've got to be passionate. You've got to be passionate about music, but that's not enough. A lot of people are passionate. You've got to invent yourself. You've got to evolve with the music. You've got to be updated. You can't force your personal music interest when you're a DJ or an RJ, because you're catering to people. You're playing music for people, basically, in the club or even on radio. So you've got to evolve. You need to know what they like. As I said, it's about touching their lives every day. In a club, 1,000 people, sometimes 2,000 people, and on radio there are hundreds, thousands, millions. Sometimes people are tuned in from other parts of the world as well.
Asif, thank you so much. It was so great talking to you, and of course, very inspiring as well.
Thank you so much.
3, 2, 1, go!